Hi all, good day. Let's continue our discussions on December 2019 suggested papers. Here is the fifth objective we have for strategic performance management under section A. Let's read it out. Which out of the following financial ratios is not in the Altman model is its score? The options are market view to book value of equity shares, working capital to total assets, retained earnings to total assets, sales to total assets. First, to answer this question, we should know what is called as Altman model Z score. Let's go to the next slide to understand the details of this model. The Altman model Z score. The Altman model Z score, it was actually developed by Edwin I. Altman. Okay, so let's read this sentence. Edward I. Altman developed a multivariate model of corporate distress prediction on the basis of multiple discriminant analysis. Okay, so this model basically introduced in order to identify whether a company goes on bankruptcy or not. To say it in a simple terms. Below are the list of the discriminant analysis factors. Let's read it out. Z is equal to overall index of multiple index function. The five variables we have to arrive at the Altman model are X1 is equal to working capital to total assets. When you see the word working capital, immediately we should remember the word liquidity. This particular fraction will help you to understand the liquidity position of the firm, which means whether your current assets are sufficient to meet the current liabilities of the firm. Okay, so next go to the next variable. X2 is equal to retained earnings to total assets. This is basically a measure of reinvestment of earnings. X3 is EBIT to total assets. EBIT means earnings before interest and tax. Okay, so EBIT to total assets indicates the profitability measure. X4 is equal to market value of the equity and preference to book value of the total debt, which is the measure of leverage. To explain in detail, market value of equity and preference means the value of the equity and preference share price trading in the market to the book value you have for the total debts. X5 is equal to sales to total assets. This represents a measure of sales generating ability of the firm's assets, which means how much sales the company is able to generate out of the total assets of the company. These five variables determine the Altman model Z score. In short, to understand whether a company goes on bankruptcy or company is running efficiently, these two decision making can be made with the help of Altman model Z score. Now we have understood all the variables of Altman model Z score. Now it will be very easy for us to answer our question. Let's go to the previous slide. So to answer this question in line with the variables which we studied in the previous slide, we can find that market value to book value of equity shares is the ratio which is not found in the Altman model Z score. Hence, I have highlighted here for the easy reference. I think you would be able to understand the components of Altman model Z score now, which will be very easy for your examination also. See you in the next video with more details of December 2019 theory questions. Thank you. Have a good day.